bacteria in the given curd sample. The first experiment number 1. What is the name of experiment? How to find out lactic acid bacteria in the given sample of curd. The first one, how to find out the lactic acid bacteria in curd. So for this experiment, what are the materials are required? So first, what are the materials are required for this experiment? The first one is curd. First one is curd. Second, microscope. Microscope. And third one is crystal violet solution. Crystal violet solution. And crystal violet solution and slides. And slides. These are the materials we required to find out the lactic acid bacteria in the given curd of sample. So let us go through the experiment here. Let us go here. What are the crystal violet solution? This is the crystal violet solution. Next, these are the slides. These are the slides. Next, this is the curd. This is the curd. Given sample of curd. Next, this is microscope. So these are the materials we require to find out the lactic acid bacteria in the curd sample. First, what we have to do? First, we have to take a curd sample in a glass. Give me the water here. Next, add little amount of water to the curd sample. Add a little amount of water to the curd sample. Next, stir it well. Stir it well. And afterwards, you have to take crystal violet solution to this.
Crystal violet solution.
Do you know why do we use crystal violet solution in the experiment? Because the bacteria will get the stain. To find out easily, to recognize the bacteria in the given curd sample, that's why we are going to add the crystal violet solution to the given sample of curd. Why? To find out the bacteria easily. To find out the bacteria
easily.
So this is the, now we have to add 2 or 3 drops of crystal violet solution to the curd sample. 2 or 3 crystal violet solutions to the curd sample. Enough. 2. Now we have to stir it well. Stir it well. Now you keep 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, without disturbance. Now to keep away 2 or 3 minutes. Next, after 3 minutes, you have to take a slide piece. You have to take a slide. This is called a slide, and you take 2 or 3 drops. 2 or 3 drops of crystal violet solution which we added. Drops like this. So we have to take 2 or 3 drops of crystal violet solution on the slide and put it under the slide for the observation. See, now bacteria is very clear in this slide. See, we know that bacteria are living in single or group, like a colonies. So always the lactic acid bacteria will live always like a colonies. Like will always lives like a colonies. So here in this experiment we are going to observe that the bacteria is living in the colonies. So one by one, students please come in a discipline manner and observe it. One by one, please come here and observe the lactic acid bacteria in the given slide sample. Come. Next. Next. Come, next. Stop. This put on budget.
There are bacteria colonies. Yes.
Bacteria are living in the colonies.
Yes.
Yes. Go. Next. What is there? What do you observe in that?
Bacteria are there in a sample of
Guys, go. Very good. Next. What do you observe in the slide?
Group of bacteria are available.
Are living in the given cut of sample. Go. Next. Come, Srinivas. What is this?
bacteria live in gut.
Go. Next. What do you observe? Go. Stop there.